How to remove coming soon page WordPress Bluehost. So go to your WordPress website admin area by adding /wp-admin to the end of your domain and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, go to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Look for the plugin that is responsible for coming soon page. It's likely a plugin specifically installed for the purpose. Deactivate or delete the plugin if you are unsure which plugin it is. You can try deactivating them one by one until the coming soon page disappears. If you have caching plugins or caching enabled on your server, clear the cache or ensure that the changes take effect immediately. Then visit your website in a new browser window or incognito mode to confirm that the coming soon page is no longer displayed. Sometimes after making changes to plugins or themes, it's a good idea to update your permalinks. To do this, go to Setting Permalinks and click Save Changes. Even if you haven't made any changes, thanks for watching.